and then this is temperature. Okay, so actually we're using this one. Look at that one. Look at this one. Air temperature, pressure altitude. So it's temperature over pressure. How do we get pressure altitude?
The long way? Or like, it's field pressure divided by standard multiplied by 1,000.
Not divided.
Subtract.
So what is standard? Hello? What is standard?
2994.
Number one, I didn't like that answer from 2-9er.
Yeah.
9er 2.
92, right.
So say it one more time so I don't get that other thing. You got rained on?
What?
It's raining?
Yeah, pouring.
Well,
The clouds were coming in and barely
Wow.
went around the clouds and just went.
Wow.
That's it.
In my mind, I was thinking, oh, it's probably even better out. And then I'm looking, you guys look a little
Worse.
drippy.
Worse.
So,
29er, 92.
so if we take 2-9er, 9er 2, what do we do with it? We get the pressure of where we're going to be flying. So you do one here at Livermore, or here at Oakland.
Yeah.
God, Hayward. One at Livermore and at Tracy.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you would put in the barometric pressure here, right? And you would get an answer. This answer times 10,000 gives you the amount to either add or subtract from your actual altitude, your pressure altitude.
Right.
Even though MSL we're flying at 3,000 feet, the helicopter could feel like it's operating at 2,500 feet, or act like it's operating at 3,500. So we would get that. So I think I've given you in the past a pressure altitude sheet, haven't I?
I have.
Yeah. So we're going to, good thing it canceled, huh?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so clear down south, and we're like, let's go around, let's come back. They're like 10 miles of visibility. Like ceilings at 5,000. We're coming in. They're like, you're going southbound now. We're like, we're trying to navigate around that rain. But yeah, it got. I'm pretty sure it'll pass through. But yeah, we can take care of that.
Contacts.
Oh, can I see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like trying to decon.
Even close the head.
Oh,
No.
he's psychic.
Worth the freaking effort. All right, forget it.
Yeah,
I don't like that one.
2985?
Tell me what the pressure altitude is. If you don't bring out a calculator or something to do it manually, I'm gonna be very irritated. You never, I don't care how brilliant you are,
Yeah.
don't, because if you make a mistake,
Yeah.
do you wanna fail your check ride because you didn't take the time? Even if it's 2 + 2, use a calculator. I had a very intelligent person fail their commercial check ride because he was so brilliant, he never needed a calculator. And 99 out of 100 times he was right until he was nervous with his check ride and his brain made an assumption and he was off a decimal point, and on your commercial check ride, you fail. Private pilot check ride, he would have got a slap on the hand and said, hey, next time use a calculator, don't make a mistake. So we're gonna teach you right away. So what's this answer?
0.23.
123?
Yes.
So it's 230 feet.
Yes.
So you don't need a calculator. You're smart.
Yep.
So whatever the altitude you plan to fly at, is this number a positive or negative? Because I think you gave me the wrong answer when you said 230.
It's negative.
Oh, negative 230. Well, if we make a mistake, that's a difference of 460 feet the wrong way, right? Because we're here and we should have gone the other way. So if we are flying at 3,000 feet, or actually you said 2,500, we would subtract 230 feet, and then that is our pressure altitude. Okay? You know if this number is higher than this, it's a negative, isn't it? Because this gives you better performance. So your airplane and your helicopter are gonna perform at a lower pressure altitude. And the temperature is 16. Now, we would get the temperature because we would interpolate between the winds and loft temperature and that. So if we take this, I want you to put in the temperature. So this is really tough to do. Air temperature. If you look at the air temperatures, there's 0,
Yeah.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Yeah.
That one should be.
So-
It's confined to 100.
It was 16. What would the, if it was a standard day, would the temperature be at 2,500?
No, like.
15
I know,
degrees.
I know,
11.
but all you need to do, make sure you're
Minus
flying.
5.
Make sure that
Right.
you're still
Exactly.
aviating.
Two degrees
So
per thousand.
let's just use 10 degrees, just because we're learning. So on this part, this is our pressure altitude. So this is 0 in thousands. We're in between these two lines,
Kind of like that.
and I have to line those lines up. So it's 1,000, 2,500, and 5, 10 degrees. See it? Okay? Then, when you come out here, we are looking for, and I'm trying to find it because it's always spun around. Calibrated airspeed,
Okay.
Yep.
and true airspeed is on the outside.
Yeah,
There's a TAS written somewhere around
Well,
there.
I know.
That's what I wanted to know.
Right there, true airspeed, calibrated airspeed.
Mm-hmm.
So what was our calibrated airspeed?
Let's say what we take up here.
That's
70, 1, 2, 3. We come out here, and it's 70, 1, 2,
You go for commercial.
3,
Yeah,
4.
Your standards are getting tighter and tighter, so. Showing 69. Lining up
this?
to-
So you recalibrate it on the inner, and you find your true airspeed on the outer wheel.
Uh,
But look, they're only a degree, they're only off that
I'll
much.
do my best.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it
So
helps
it's
you, like, monitor
faster
scanning
by
power and
1 knot.
things like that.
But your true airspeed, then you would write in here, it wouldn't be 73, it'd be
You would
74.
let your car get creep into the yellow and then be like, hey.
Now, today's kind of a pretty mild day, there's not a lot of discrepancies and stuff going on here. Okay.
Even if you don't
So
tell
what I
them,
did
you can still measure.
for you to figure this stuff out, because we'll have some more time.